Okay, students, see the question number 41. Question number 41. 41 is saying that a 4-port directional coupler has 4 is to 1 power splitting ratio. So there is what 4-port directional coupler. This is my directional coupler, 4-port directional coupler. Yes, this is my 4-port directional coupler. So this is what port 1 input, port 1 and port 2. So this is my port 1, port 2, this is my port 2 and this is my port 4. Yes, so coupled port. So this is my output port, this is my coupled port and this is my isolated port. Yes, this is my isolated port and this is my input port. Okay, so these are the four directional coupler. Okay, so 4 port of directional coupler. So coupler has 4 is to 1 power splitting ratio and it has what 4 is to 1 what power splitting ratio. So power splitting at the output, if you see the at output side, the power is splitting in 4 is to 1 ratio. Yes, 4 is to 1 ratio. Means it is 4 is to 1 ratio. The power is splitting. Yes, power is splitting. So this P naught, like this P2 and P2 and P4. If you see the P2, 4 is to 1 ratio, that is 4 by 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 4 by 5. 4 by 5 of input port of input power P1. So input power P P what P1 dissipated power. Yes, P1 dissipated because input power is also dissipated by a factor or dissipated by what 3 dB. Yes, so this is what dissipated power. So remaining power means this is what remaining power. Yes, after dissipation. Similarly for P4. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to how much? 1 by 5 into PR. Yes, this is what remaining power after dissipation. So after dissipation, this is remaining power and the given that the coupler directivity is 40 dB. So this is coupler directivity. Directivity of coupler is given as how much? This is 40 dB. 40 dB. So if you see the direct coupler directivity, coupler directivity. So coupler directivity is like 10 log. Yes, 10 log P3 by 10 log isolated power by coupled power. This is my isolated power by coupled power. Yes, coupled power. So which is nothing but 10 log how much? P3. P3 by P4. Yes, so this is my coupling directivity. Yes, coupling. So coupler directivity. So this is 10 log P3 by P4. Yes, how much it is given? Coupling directivity 40 dB. 40 dB means in the sense 10 to the power 40 by 10 is equal to what? 40 by 10. Okay, so if I want to convert this, because this is what log form and this is in what? This is in linear form. So this is what? P3 by P4. Yes, so I can say that P3 is equal to what? P3 is equal to P4 into 10 to the power 4. Yes. So this is my P3 power, means isolated power. Yes. So now he's asking about what? He's asking about P2 and P1. What is the fraction of input power P1? P1 will go to the port P2 and P3. So P2 and P3. So this is what the question is about. What fraction of input? What fraction of input after dissipation that will go at port 1, port 2 and port this port 2 and port 4. Yes. So this is the question about this. How much is this? P remaining is nothing but after dissipation, so original power is P1 minus after this dissipation power is how much? P, that is 3 dB. 3 dB means 3 dB power. 3 dB power is lost power that is lost from the P1. So we can say that it is P1 3 dB. P1 3 dB means it is dissipated power. How much? P1 minus, this is my remaining power. Remaining power is how much? P1 minus P3 dB is nothing but, so it is half power. Half, 3 dB means half, just half, and it is P1. Yes, because you know the 3 dB is nothing but P, this means P3 dB means this is half power. 3 dB means half power. Yes. So this remaining power PR is equal to P1 1 minus 1 by 2. So remaining power is nothing but P1 by 2. Yes. Remaining power is how much? P1 by 2. Just put this P remaining power here in these two equation. So you will get what? P2 and P1. Yes. You will get P2 and P1. How much is P2? So see here, P2 is equal to how much? P2 is equal to 4 by 5 into PR, remaining power is P1 by 2. How much is this? 0.4 P1. Yes, 0.4 P1. So therefore P2 is equal to what? 0.4 P1. Yes, 0.4 P1. So this is my P2 P2 power. Okay. So now see here P P2 P4. How much is P4? So let us see this P4 here. P4 is equal to how much? 1 by 5 into P remaining is how much? P1 by 2, and this is nothing but P1 by 10, and which is nothing but zero point 0.1 P1. Yes. So my P4 power is how much? 0.1 P1. Okay. P1, and my P2, my P2 is how much? Zero point 0.4 P1. Yes, zero point 0.4 P1. So this is what, this is answer. P2 is equal to zero point 0.4 P1 and P4 is equal to P4 is equal to zero point 0.1 P1. So the answer is option A. Option A is correct for this. Yes, option A is correct. Is it visible properly? Yes, it is visible. So this is the answer for this. P2 is equal to how much? P2 P2 is equal to zero point 0.4 P1. Okay, so and P4 is equal to zero point 0.1 P1. Yes, so this is present in option A. Yes, option A is correct. Okay, so nothing we have to do here, just input power. So input power is coming, then after that there is a 3 dB dissipation of this input power, because input power get dissipated by how much? 3 dB. Yes, 3 dB dissipation is there. This is means power dissipation is equal to how much? 3 dB. Yes, P3 dB. So P3 dB means what? P3 dB means this is nothing but P1 by 2. So 3 dB loss means half power. 3 dB loss means half power. And if you see the 3 dB in term of voltage, 3 dB in term of voltage, so like this, see, power is equal to what? V square by R, yes or no? So this is my power. If you see the voltage 3 dB voltage is 3 dB voltage is how much? 3 dB. So that is V by root 2. Yes, V by root 2. So similarly, power is how much? V square by 2. Yes, V square by 2 R. Yes. So this is V square by R is what? Power. So this is my power. Power by 2. So similarly like this. Yes, because power is V square by 2R. So that's why power is what? Just half, and the signal is just signal. If the signal lost by 3 dB, this means if signal if just signal is lost by 3 dB, this means it is reduced by a factor of root 2. If the power is lost, means that is reduced by a factor of 2. This is factor of root 2, this is factor of 2. Yes, this is just a difference between signal and power. Signal means it is in voltage and current, just power means it is in watt, because the power is what? Power is product of two signal. Yes, power is what? Square of signal. So that's why it is what? Half. Yes. So that is the common basics, so that we can understand from here. Okay. So this is about question number 41. So next, let us move toward question number 42.